What we're going to do now is create the animation blueprint that's going to control the animation for this skeletal mesh. So to do that, go back to the Scorpion test level tab, and this will show you the content browser at the bottom. And in the tutorial content folder, skeletal mesh folder within that, on the tutorial Scorpion mesh, you can right click, go to create, and then go to animation blueprint or anim blueprint. When you click on this, it will create a new animation blueprint. Call this some unique name so that yours doesn't exactly match what I'm doing. So I'm going to call mine LM Scorpion Anim BP. Now, if we double click on this, you'll be opening the animation blueprint that we've created for this skeletal mesh. There are two tabs, the event graph and the anim graph. The event graph is used to do calculations or to retrieve information from the owning blueprint, and the anim graph is what actually processes the animation. So for example, if we had a keyframed animation imported, we could place it here and connect it to the result, and this would output the animation that we had connected. So we would see it in this viewport animating using the animation asset that we've connected. We're not going to do that for now. So I'll just simply compile and save this animation blueprint, and then switch back to the tutorial Scorpion actor. If you've not already got it selected, in the components section on the left, click on mesh, and you'll see a section called animation. The top entry of this is animation mode. So use animation asset would want us to specify a specific animation to play, and it would always just constantly play that same animation. But what we want to do is make it use our animation blueprint so that we have more control over when it plays certain animations or when it uses control rig. So what we want to do is switch the animation mode to use animation blueprint. And now for the anim class, we want to select the animation blueprint that we've just created. So in my case, it's LM Scorpion Anim BP. So what we're going to do under anim class is select the drop down, and I'm going to search for LM Scorpion and then select LM Scorpion Anim BP, and you select the one that you just created. And now we compile and save. And now, although you can't see any change, this skeletal mesh is now being commanded by whatever this animation blueprint is telling the skeletal mesh to do.